Namaskaram friends. Yesterday I spoke about Tiruvallikeni Parthasarathi Perumal temple. It's the 60th Divya Desam, correct? I want to mention two more points for 60th Divya Desam. I mentioned about significance of the conch, but I missed to tell the significance. The significance of the conch which Lord Narayana carries is that during Mahabharata, Lord Krishna gave the sound using his conch, stating that war is going to start. Before the war gets started, Kauravas got the feel by hearing that sound of the conch that they will get defeated. So that's the power of the conch which Lord Narayana carries. So Parthasarathi Perumal, though he doesn't carry any weapons, he just carries a conch here. But still it has so much power that it gives a fear to the enemies. So that's the significance of the conch which Parthasarathi Perumal carries here. And other reason for not having any weapons in Parthasarathi Perumal temple by Lord Narayana is that he is in the resting mode. After completing all the wars, he is in the blissful state. And so is the reason that he doesn't carry any weapons. And I explained this Divya Desam number 60 in two parts. So detailing about the 5 postures. So in part 1 I have explained about standing and reclining posture. And yesterday in the part 2 session I explained about Perumal in sitting posture. Telisinga Perumal, Gajendra Varada Perumal who comes in the flying posture, and Ramar in walking posture. So with that I'll take over for 61st Divya Desam. This is Tirunir Malai. If I had to talk about this Tirunir Malai before 10 years or 15 years, I might have explained that this is located in the outskirts of Chennai. But now Tirunir Malai is also inside Chennai only, so it's located in Chennai. It's there are 2 sanctums we can see, 2 temples actually we can see. One at the ground level of the hill mountain, another one is a hilltop. We have to climb the steps to the hilltop, and where we can get the beautiful view of the city. As I talk about Tirunir Malai, Neer means water, Tannir. Tan means coolness. And here the climate is also so cool that it started raining here. So that's the miracle he gives. As I talk about Tirunir Malai, and as I going to explain the details of the Tirunir Malai, we can very well associate it to the rain. So it makes me so blessed, to feel so blessed and happy that it rains here as I talk about Tirunir Malai Divya Desam. Okay, so let me first explain the name Tirunir Malai. As I said, Neer means Tannir. Tannir is a Tamil word which represents water. Tan means coolness. Here Lord Narayana is in the cool characteristics. He is represented here as a cool characteristics. He accepts all the devotees as they are. That's what the Neermai character represents. So, Tannir is coolness. Malai represents mountain. So, Lord Narayana is very cool as water and very strong as mountain. That's what the name signifies. Tirumangai Alvar want to visit this temple to sing Pasurams in praise of Lord Narayana. Correct, but it was raining so heavily that all the villages surrounding this mountain, Tirunir Malai, was flooded with water due to heavy rain. And it didn't get stopped for more than 3 or 6 months. Tirumangai Alvar waited so long and he meditated upon Lord Narayana, and then Narayana gave him the way for him to visit and get the darshan at the hilltop as well as in the downstairs of the mountain. So Tirumangai Alvar has sung 10 pasurams for Lord Narayana here. here Lord Narayana gives 4 beautiful darshans. One darshan we can get at the ground level of the temple. We have to get the worship 2 temples. One at the ground level of Tirunirmalai. The other one is we have to climb up the mountain. At the hilltop we can get 3 darshans. So 4 different postures we can see. The ground level, the Perumal name is Neervanna Perumal. And in the hilltop, he gives darshan in 3 postures. One is Ranganatha Perumal in reclining posture, and then Thiruvikrama Perumal, where he measured the land, no? So that posture we can get the darshan. Another one is Narasimhar in the sitting posture, where he gives darshan for Prahalad. After saving Prahalad, he gives the darshan. So we can worship Lord Narayana in this Tirunirmalai with 4 different postures. One at the ground and other 3 in the hilltop. Tayar has a separate sanctum. Tayar name is Alima Mangai Nachiyar. So we can see a separate shrine for her. And Valmiki sage, though he got the darshan of 4 different postures, Valmiki was not happy. Do you know when Valmiki will be happy? Only if he sees Lord Narayan Ramar Kolam. So he meditated and Lord Narayana gave darshan as Ramar with Lakshmana and Sita. So as soon as you enter the temple in the ground level, we can see the beautiful Ramar sanctum first, and then only we can see Neervanna Perumal sanctum. So that's the significance, because he gave darshan for Valmiki sage and Tondaiman Chakravarti. Okay, and there are 4 Pushkarnis. As we are worshipping 4 Perumals here, we can see 4 Pushkarnis. Shira Pushkarni for Ranganatha Perumal, Swarna Pushkarni for Neervanna Perumal, Siddha Pushkarni for Narasimhar, and Karunya Pushkarni for Thiruvikrama Avatara. So here Perumal gives darshan for the devotees as Neermai character, that is like a water, as cool as water and as strong as mountain. And this mountain Tirunirmalai also has a name called Toyadri Malai, which is referred to as a Kandava Vanam. So that's the details I want to give. So rishis did the tapas for 600 years to get this 4 different postures of Lord Narayana, and they got to see the wonderful darshan after having the great penance. This is the significance of this temple. So with this, I have completed 61 Divya Desams. Tomorrow we'll meet with 62nd Divya Desam. Friends, thank you all. Namaskaram.